Hello friends, today I am here to present you Python languages. In this particular video, I will discussing about how the Python language evolve days by day. The Python is a new language between Bash and C language. You already know about the C language is parent language of any programming language, and the Bash language is known as the born again shell used in Unix operating system. The next point is, while working on Amoeba microkernel based project, Guido van Rossum facing a more time to develop this project based on old or traditional language. So he decided to develop a new advanced and simple language to do his task easy. So basically Amoeba is a microkernel based operating system which is used, and the main aim of this operating system is to provide networks of more computers present to the user as a single computer systems. Okay. After developing the Python languages, the naming was done by the most famous British comedy series, that is Monty Python Circus. The first release, that is version of 0.9.0 of Python, was developed with the feature of classes, exception handling, functions and code data type. So classes, as you know, about the object that showing group of object that showing similar attributes, and functions and behaviors. The next one is exception handling. Exception handling is something that disrupts normal flow of program executions, and the function is nothing but block of code that perform a single task, and data type is used to define what type of value stored inside variable, and the examples are given here. Some list, dictionary, string and other data types also present. We will study about this in future classes. So the next point is, in January 1994 the Python version 1.0 was released with the feature of functional programming tool like lambda, map, filter, reduce. So the lambda is refers to anonymous functions. Anonymous functions means functions that have no name and stored inside a variable, and map, filter, reduce are methods of array. Okay. In 1996 with Python, Microsoft builds product that is called Microsoft Merchant Server. Basically this is worked for connecting business to consumer and do basics e-commerce system. Okay. The Python version 2.0 was released in October 2000 with the feature of list compression and garbage collection system. The list compression method means if one list is existed and a new list is created from existed list is known as the method of list compression. And the garbage collection system is nothing but something that is no longer used inside our programming in future. This is automatically collected as garbage and removed from program to make program as memory efficient. So this system completely called as garbage collection system. The next point is, the Python version 3.0 was released in 2008 to overcome problem faced by programmer in version 2.0. So in every programming language the versions are coming to overcome shortcomings of previous version. So just like here also, Python 3.0 version was coming to overcome shortcomings or disadvantages of Python version 2.0. So main differences are given here. The first difference is the print or output functions. In Python 2.0 there is no parenthesis is given and the beginning and end of output statement, but in Python 3.0 there is two parenthesis is given from the output from the starting and end of statement, output statement. And the second difference is, in Python 2.0 division of integer gives a floating point number, but in Python 3.0 division of integer gives one integer number. And the third difference is, in Python 2.0 xrange function is used for iteration. Basically xrange function is used for looping case in programming, just like iteration is done between 1 to 100 numbers. So we passes this number inside these functions. So the programming is done between this interval. Okay. To finding intervals where the looping will be performed, we use X-range functions in Python 2.0, but in Python 3.0 it is just converted with different name, that is X-range to range function. Okay. This is all about the basics of Python evolution and how the Python language is developed, and in the future classes we learn about more. Thanks a lot.